So we now have a player ball in the game, and we really want to use control. So we're going to go over to our web browser and look at the event handling. So there's tons of events. These are for keyboard. Key down and key up are not the up or down key, but it's literally if the key is on the way down or the up. So you can handle on the press down and then also on the release. So it depends on what you're doing. These can be handled that way. We have mouse motion, the mouse button pressed or released, joy axis motions for joysticks, joy ball motion, joy hat motion, buttons up and down, video resize, like if you change the window size, which we don't do right now, and if the screen is viewed or if any sort of user event. Mostly we're going to be handling living inside key and mouse, and if you use a joypad like an Xbox controller or a PlayStation controller, you'll see these two. But let's go with our key down. So we're going to go back to our ball demo, and we're going to check for a new event. So we're going to do is if event.type equal pygame dot key down. We're then going to do if event dot what. So what attributes we have are Unicode, key, and mod. Key is going to be which key. Mods are going to be modified like Shift, Control, Alt, and Unicode is going to be the raw international keyboard standard. We're going to use key. It's a lot easier. If we go to our key page, here's a list of every key we have. So if I'm looking for WASD, it's going to be K_W, K_A, K_S, and K_. If we're going to use arrows, it's going to be to up, down, left, and right. So we're going to handle both those, so it doesn't matter which side of the keyboard on. So event.key equal pygame dot K_A or event.key pygame dot K_left. We're going to tell the ball to go left. So we're going to use go keyboard. So player dot go key left. Now this message here, this left, is going to be handled inside our player ball by its own function called go key. So def go key is going to take self and direction if direction equal left. We're going to self.max speed equals max speed. We're going to set our speed, self.speed x is equal to negative self.max speed. And the reason that is if we go look at the ball, speed x controls the left-right portion of our speed, and negative is going to set us going leftwards. So let's go write these. And we only get one message at a time, so these can be all elif, so only one gets evaluated. Left, right, up, down. So right is going to be positive. This is going to be y. It's going to be y, and it's going to be positive. So let's go to our game, and let's figure through the rest of these. So I'm going to copy this whole chunk of code. And these should be all elifs after the first one because we can't evaluate more than one message at a time. Right. up, down. This is D, W, S, right, up, down. So let's try this out. I have an error message on line 29, so let's go look. I forgot to close that parenthesis, so let's save that. Let's try it now. So hit the up or arrow down arrow key on my keyboard. The player now moves in that direction. Unfortunately, he doesn't stop moving direction once I let go. So we need to handle a whole second set of statements. So let's copy this entire thing, paste it, but we're now look for the key ups. And we're going to do S left, S right, S up, S down. In our player ball, if it's S, 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 and if that's the case, we're going to set speed at Y to, there we go, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now when I let go of the key, it's going to get the message to stop the ball. And now we should move when I let go. Now, we have some weirdness. If I hit a ball, I reverse directions right now. And that's very, very confusing. It doesn't feel right. So let's take and go, and as I did in demo, let's set up killing the balls off in the next video.